Hello everyone, myself Farvahita, Assistant Professor of CSE Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I am here to explain a few concepts of the subject CS 8601 Mobile Computing. So we are seeing Unit 5, that is Mobile Platforms and Applications. So topic discussed is Special Constraints and Requirements. The objective of learning this topic is to know about the special constraints and requirements of the mobile OS. So, the design and capabilities of the mobile operating system is very different from that of the general purpose OS running on the desktop machines. So they are physically constrained. Okay, so the battery powered device, small screens of varying shapes and sizes and resolutions, memory, storage space, everything comes into account of the special constraints. The working uncertainty is that the networks may come and go, other devices will appear and disappear. So this OS need to provide a robust methods for handling connections and coping with the service interruptions and ad hoc attempts to communicate. So today these mobile devices are multifunctioning devices capable of hosting a broad range of applications for both the business and customer use or consumer use. So the smartphones and tabs enable the people to use these mobile devices to access the internet for email, instant messaging, text messaging and web browsing, as well as the documents, contactless and more. These mobile devices are often seen as an extension to your own PC or laptop, and in some cases it is a more powerful device that can replace the PCs. So, and when these devices are used together, the work can be done remotely on a mobile device which can be synchronized with your PCs to reflect the changes, and this new information will while away from the computer. So, much like the Linux and or the Windows operating system controls our desktop or laptop computers, a mobile operating system is a software platform on the top of which the other programs, that is the application programs, can run on the mobile devices. A mobile operating system, which is also called as a mobile OS, it's an operating system that is specifically designed to run on the mobile devices, such as these devices may be mobile phones, smartphones, PDAs, tablet computers and other handheld devices. So these are the special constraints of the mobile OS. So the first one is the smaller screen size. So all of our mobile phones will be having a size of the smaller size. Okay, so we have to stay focused on this user immediate task. So the display only or the information what the users need at a given moment. So that is a major constraint. Okay, then one screen appears at a time. So always if it is possible to keep only a single screen on the mobile device opened. Okay, so if our application requires multiple screens, then we can go for the split screen or rethink of the flow of our application. Then the next constraint is shorter battery life. We are trying to handle the data transmission efficiently, so the less often the device need to be transmitted data or the longer the battery loss. Okay, so the wireless network connections is another constraint. So in this case, if we are going to simplify our application that creates a network connection, then compared to the standard LANs, the longer the latency periods that are inherent in some wireless network connections can influence how quickly the users receive the information that is sent over the network. So the slower processor speed is another special constraint, that is slower the processor speeds can affect how the users perceive the responsiveness of an application. So we can think that the application is bad, so only our application is not satisfying our tasks. Okay, but maybe the slow processor may be slow. Okay, so that causes the our perseverance towards this application as a wrong one. And then considering the less available memory, freeing up of such memory which are not in use is very essential. For example, when an application is not being used, so we have to try to keep out of the memory. So these are the possible questions. Thank you.